Hello all. In this video, I will show you how to import a material from Sketchup to Photoshop. I have opened a very basic plan just for the video. Now, I want to fill these boxes with some flooring materials from Sketchup. Before that, let me show you other options to fill with. Select the required area using Marquee tool. We can fill plain colors with the solid fill option. Rearrange the layers for the perfection. We can also fill with any available pattern. We can change the scale and angle of the pattern as desired. Gradient is another option that we can use to fill. Now, let's fill the boxes with materials available in Sketchup. Open Sketchup. Draw random boxes to fill the required material. Apply the required material to the boxes. Now, save the project. After saving, export the project as 3D model. Make sure that the project saves as Collada file extension. Open the file location of the 3D model. There, you will find a folder in the name of your Sketchup project. This folder will have the image files of the materials. Open the required material in Photoshop. Make sure that the material image is in good quality. If not, adjust the image size. Now, select the entire image. Go to Edit, Define Pattern. Name the pattern and click OK. Now, the tile is being added as a pattern in the library. We can use it anytime whenever required. Now, open the plan. Select the area. Fill it with the pattern that we saved. Adjust the scale and angle of the pattern as required. Let me try with some other materials too. That's it. Subscribe for more architecture related videos.